Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open the Banque Postale app in English. First, open the Banque Postale app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You will see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this icon to open the menu. After opening the menu, scroll through the list of options until you find the settings section. In French, this is called paramètres. Tap on it to enter the settings page. Now you are inside the settings. Look for the option that says language or lang. This is where you can change the language of the app. Tap on this option to continue. You will now see a list of available languages. Go through the list and find English. Once you see it, tap on English to select it. After selecting it, confirm your choice by tapping OK or the confirmation button on your screen. At this point, the app may not fully switch to English right away. To make sure the change is applied, you should log out of your account and then log back in. You can also close the app completely and restart it. Once you open the app again, it should now be in English. Thanks for watching.